I've got this pan of water here. That's because the rain doesn't come out very well in the video, but it's not raining heavily, but it's certainly raining. So we want some dry paper, obviously, or dry tinder. I put the kettle on top to stop the rain being able to damp off the paper. And just got to get a lighter. And here we go. Just get that lit. Pretty sure that gets lit. Hang it a bit more. Got some little bits of tinder here which I'm keeping dry. That's a bit big. Wrong copies here. Oh, something's got a bit damp, but it is going. Okay, once that's ready, I'm now gonna put this sort of wood in. But first of all, I'm gonna try and dry it as best I can by putting it by here. Alternatively, you could put it on a top like that. I'll let that start for a while. Okay, we've dried this just a little bit there, and this wood has been out in the rain all day. It's been raining all day, but of course the centre of it is dry, so that should catch. We've still got this gentle rain coming down. And it's now a case of just trying to dry this wood as best you can before you put it on the fire. But we've established a good fire, and as long as we keep this pot on the top, it can't get down. And it continues to rain. It's just a light rain.